In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Godaddy username. It's a crucial piece of information that you'll need whenever you're logging in to manage your domains, websites, or any other Godaddy services you might be using. So, let's get started and make this as easy as possible for you. First, let's head over to the Godaddy website. You might typically type in Godaddy in your browser's search bar and click on the first result or directly enter www.godaddy.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of the home page. It's usually where you'll find the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, you should see a drop-down menu. Here, you have a couple of options. One is to go to Account Settings if you happen to remember any part of your credentials and can sign in, but for our purpose, we're going to focus on Need Help? Just under where you normally enter your username and password. Click on Need Help, and you'll see additional prompts appear. Here's where you'll select Forgot Username. Next, you'll see a screen asking for your Godaddy account email address. It's important to remember the email you used when you first registered with Godaddy because they'll be sending the username information there. Enter the email address you believe you used and click on Continue. After clicking Continue, Godaddy will take a moment to process this request, and then, they will send an email containing your username to the email address you provided. So, head over to your email inbox. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders, just in case the email doesn't come through immediately to your primary inbox. Sometimes automated emails get filtered out, so it's always a good idea to check those other folders. Once you've located the email from Godaddy, open it, and voila, there you will find your username. Jot it down somewhere secure for easy reference. Remembering or securely saving this username is crucial since you'll need it every time to log in and manage your services. Lastly, it's always a good practice to ensure your email address associated with Godaddy is correct and up to date to prevent future hassles. If you find any discrepancies, or if you've recovered your username and managed to log into your account, navigate to your account settings and confirm that all your details are correct. Simple preventive actions like these can save you a lot of time in the long run. And that's it. You've successfully found your Godaddy username using the website's support. Managing your accounts becomes a whole lot easier when you know these little tricks and steps. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Godaddy's customer support is another great resource. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.